Good morning traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's pre-market video, we'll break down NIFTY's support or resistance levels, global cues, sentiment, and most importantly, what direction Nifty is likely to take today based on the data we have. So let's get started. Global market summary. First, let's understand how the global markets performed, because they decide the tone for our opening. Global cues today. Nifty SGX, early indication, JOR 0.90 positive. JOR 0.51 positive. Asian markets, JOR 0.94 strong positive start. Europe, JOR 0.29 flat positive. USD INR, minus 0.26 rupees slightly stronger, good for sentiment. Crude, minus 0.57 neutral to ignorable today. So overall the global picture is clearly positive, with all major regions supporting a flat positive to strong positive opening. Expected Nifty opening mood. With these numbers, Nifty is likely to open flat positive or mildly positive. A very strong gap up is not expected, but a stable positive opening is highly likely. Today's opening sentiment can be summed up as Nifty direction, flat positive market. This means early dips can get bought, and upward momentum could continue if key resistance levels break. Support or resistance levels. From your levels chart, these are the most crucial levels for today's session. Resistance levels, upside hurdles, R1, 26,263. R2 बजके 26 मिनट, 321. R3 बजके 26 मिनट, 379. R4 बजके 26 मिनट, 437. R5 बजके 26 मिनट, 495. R6 बजके 26 मिनट, 553. R1 and R2 will be the most important levels for the opening. If Nifty breaks and sustains above R1, we could see a clean move toward R2 and R3. Support levels, downside protection, S1, 26,105. S2, 26,020. S3 बजके 25 मिनट, 930. S4 बजके 25 मिनट, 835. S5 बजके 25 मिनट, 765. S6 बजके 25 मिनट, 685. If there is any deep in the morning, S1 and S2 are strong zones for buyers. Today's possible opening scenarios. Let's look at the three scenarios. Flat positive opening, most likely. Opening between 26,180, 26,250. Watch for a breakout above R1 equals 26,263 if sustained. Next targets. R2, R3 deep opening. If Nifty opens slightly lower due to volatility, S1 at 26,105 becomes the first defense. Good buying can emerge in this zone. Surprise strong gap up. If Asian markets accelerate further, Nifty may open near R1, R2. Expect initial profit booking, then trend continuation. Trend outlook for today. The trend today is expected to be bias, positive, not too aggressive, but consistent. Buyers are in control unless Nifty breaks below 26,105. Important points. Strength above R1. Consolidation between 26,200 minus 26,250. On dips, S1, S2 likely to act as support. USD INR is stable, good for market sentiment. Crude down helps India's macro picture. Trader plan for today. Here's your clear plan for the day. Bullish plan. Buy above 26,263, R1, breakout. Target, R2, R3. Stop loss, below R1 zone. Bearish plan, only if market turns weak. Sell only if Nifty breaks below 26,105, S1. Target, 26,020, 25,930. Stop loss, above S1 zone. Avoid trades between 26,180, 26,230 if market stays choppy. Conclusion or outro. So friends, that was your complete Nifty pre-market analysis. Global cues are positive, support levels are strong, and the sentiment is stable. As long as Nifty holds above 26,105, the trend remains flat positive to positive. Trade safely, wait for breakout confirmations, and follow your stop loss strictly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.